Alright, now should be good, bro. Sorry, I'm sending a tweet real quick. Yeah, this weekly candle on Tesla should either be a hammer or it should flip green. Wait, can y'all even hear me? I don't even know. Oh, I gotta go to my YouTube page. Hello? Oh, I have double, bro. I have a double mic. Let me fix that real quick. All right, hello? Hello, hello. Testing, testing. One, two. Okay, my headset works. That's good. Oh, the government has news today about shutting down. Well, we'll find out if we're gonna shut down or not, but I don't think we're gonna shut down. Yeah, I'm only in Tesla right now. I was in Roku. No, I was in Shopify. Oh man, I'm glad I sold shop yesterday. I'm glad I sold my shop. Cause yeah, I sold my shop at the right time. I knew it wasn't ready. It wasn't ready, but it will be soon. But it should take out that low and pop back up. But I'm still gonna watch it for 154. It's gonna hit that. Yeah, I sold my shop and I got more Tesla because I knew like I can't. I'm telling y'all, bro. Like I know I'm pounding the table on this, but I can't ignore this wedge on Tesla. Anytime I see this on Tesla, it just expands to the upside every single time. And that news yesterday, like I don't know why everyone is bearish on the stock. Like, bro, Elon Musk is working directly with the president still. Number one. Number two, it's Tesla. Number three, they beat earnings. Number four, they went up after hours. Not only did they beat earnings, but yesterday was just a fake out, bro. I knew like you can tell with the market, you can tell when certain stocks are, even though they're red, you can tell if they're buying. So like yesterday, I so my habit so this year I'm trying to enter, like when I buy calls, I'm trying to buy a call on a red day. That is my goal this year. I'm trying to be so accurate that where I can buy puts on a green candle and buy calls on a red candle, and the next day price goes my way. So I was right on Tesla. I was right. So I bought yesterday on a red candle, but I bought too early because I bought up here at around 425. Had I bought down here at my zone, like I said, because I said I had a support at like 420. So had I bought down here like 420 or even at this low, because I knew price was gonna come down and take out this low at 418, I just got too impatient. I got too impatient. I got too impatient yesterday because I wasn't playing Tesla for earnings. Like I don't care about earnings. I don't really care about ER. Well, actually, I was in before earnings, but it got chopped because I lost like I think like 400. Yeah, so that's what happened. Cause I lost like 400 on that. Cause I wasn't trying to play earnings. I wanted to see if I wanted to us to expand. Cause I'm playing this overall breakout channel. So, but had I bought for next week, I would have been fine. But since I bought a contract that expired on Friday, if you buy a weekly contract on Thursday, Friday, that theta is huge. So that theta, it was eating my contract. Like, it wasn't a bad contract. It's just that theta was eating my contract. So I sold it, and I got one for next week. Yeah, because I sold it, and then I sold my shop entry, and I went back in Tesla because I knew it wasn't done. Number one, and number two, it was falling. Like, I love to buy on red days. So I just bought too early because I was down 400 bucks. I was down about 42%. Right now, I'm up. 35% on my contract. But what I'm trying to say is, don't be like me. When you know the move, when you know your target price, and when you know price is setting up to your target, just wait for it to come down to your level of support. Don't get impulsive. Like, try to get the best entry you can get. And if you can't get the best entry, then average, then try to get the second best entry. Because had I waited down here, that one contract I bought, I could have bought two or three of them at a discount, at a super cheap discount, and I would have been up like double already or triple already just off this tiny move right here. But you see how we're basing up here? Because I'm think about it. If Tesla was going to tank, it would have tanked during ER. It would have broke down during the ER. Let's be real. If this stock was going to tank, it would have done it at ER. Cause Facebook had ER. What happened? They went up $68. Microsoft had ER. They beat. But what happened? They dumped $50. Do you see what I'm saying? And then yesterday we sold off, but it was a slow sell off. Like it was a healthy sell. Like people don't understand. We have been going up in this market for the past last week because people always get euphoria or get FOMO. They always think the market always goes up for some reason. One pullback doesn't mean we are red. 1 or 2 days of pulling back in an uptrend, overall uptrend, does not mean we are red for the whole month or the whole week or the whole year. People just fearmonger. They panic. Yeah, but on Tesla, it's going to 470. I'm looking at 470. Oh, so yeah, so also to clarify what I said, right, with my contract entry, right? Even though like so when I tweeted out I was in Tesla, so that moment I tweeted that tweet that said, "Hey, I'm buying this contract. I'm in Tesla." Uh, what time did I buy this contract? Cause I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, so right now I'm up over 50%. So for today, my contract is up over 170%. So that's what I mean. Had I been more patient on my entry, I would have been up so more. So that's what I'm talking about. Like you have to like if, just because you know where price is going, don't rush that and just wait for your entry. So I'm a cause I have to journal this so that way next time I see a slow sell off, I know they're buying. I just have to get that bottom entry. I just have to wait. If I don't get that entry in the first part of the session, I have to wait at least 1:30 to 2 p.m. But usually I'm just going live to like just to like journal so pretty much so in case I want to go back and review my trades in like real time I can. But I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I mean. To the four people that joined, what's up, y'all? Yeah. So I bought my Tesla call yesterday. Yeah, I bought this junk right out open. I bought it right out open. So had I just waited, had I been, and usually I don't buy it open. I have to stop. I have to stop buying it open because I usually don't buy it open. It's just like I said, like when I know where price wants to go, like I get impatient and I want it to like I just have to I have to stop doing that because I am holding myself back. I'm holding myself back for to make more money. So what's Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, I bought shoot, I bought right out open, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I bought right here. I bought right at this candle. But had I waited until till we came down to nine, that's what I mean. Had I just waited till like later in the day instead of me buying out open, had I just waited for a price, cause I had like overall 420. So had I just instead of me buying at 425, even if I bought at 420, I would have been up more because it only went down to 414. But had I been more patient, right, I would have had a better entry. So that's what I mean. Just cause I know where price wants to go, doesn't mean I need to rush my entry. So now I know the next time I just need to have up a I just need to have up the 15-minute time frame and just watch cuz I knew Price wanted to break that leg. I knew Price wanted to make that low right here. This low back on the 20th, and then this ER low. Yeah, and this low right here. Cause that's where I should have really bought at. I should have, yeah, bro. I should have brought that candle 945 instead of me buying right out open. If had I just bought this hammer candle right here, and then two, dude, you see the volume on this candle? You see the size of this and the volume, and then this next candle is a bullish engulfing candle. So that's what I mean. Like they were buying this. That's why like I didn't worry. Like on slow sell off like this, they are buying. Cause look at the size of these red candles coming back down this zone. Like had they been selling, then then you would need to create one of these big red candles in order to break this small candle and this trend line that I have. But that's just a lesson to teach. Like just be patient with your entries or average down. Had I averaged down two, I would have been up more. But this is the only stock I'm just in for right now. Like I want to see this flip. I want to see this weekly. Shoot, it might go green. I think Tesla might go green in a day. But I'm gonna stay on the 15 minute for now. Actually, I might go by 30. I like that 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is like it's looking one of my favorite time frames. It's not too fast and it's not too slow. I feel like the 30 minutes is like the perfect time frame to use intraday. But that's just me. Even for swing injuries, I like the 30 minute. But I'm telling you, we should expand. If we are building right here, if we are building sideways, we should expand to the upside. Cause I see this happen time and time again. Like cause dude, this gap is right here at 446. They're just trying to buy more orders. They're just trying to accumulate. Because the daily and 4 hour are still green. The hour and 30 minute, they're the ones that have to flip. And then if they flip to match the 4 hour daily, then that weekly candle it should either close green or it should close as a hammer candle. Which means next week or next month's candle that opens, it should start pushing the upside. It just depends. But I have 9 days on my contract, so I don't. So I have until here. I have all this time for price to hit my target, or even not 470. But I pretty much have all this time. When they do pre-market, I didn't know they did anything pre-market. Oh, you know what? Do pre-market highs and lows work? I want to see something, bro. You know what? Yeah, I want to see something. I want to test something out for real. Hmm. Hmm. Cause I low key might start trading with just the pre-market and the post-market data on, just so I can see. Well, just so I can test some things out. But yeah, if we hold this upper range up here, but I want to test something out. You have to think outside the box when you are trading. If y'all have any questions or want me to look at something, just let me know. 'Cause like I said, I'm gonna keep my stream up for like the next 30 minutes because I have work today at 2. So I gotta get ready and stuff. But I just want to stream for like an hour or two. Let's just say what's up and see what y'all are doing. I don't get how people want me to go back to streaming again. Maybe they'll come. But it's fine because I'm really just streaming just to record. But I think the market's just waiting for them to vote on the shutdown. But I don't think we're gonna shut down. Not again, at least. said, if you have any questions or want me to look at anything, just let me know. If not, I'm just keeping my. I'm just waiting for Tesla. That's all I'm literally doing. I'm just waiting for the lower time frames to flip. That's why I'm here. Oh, I have. If my chart looks weird, it's because I have on the pre-market and the post-market data because I'm trying to test something out right now. That's why you see that box I drew. It's because that big green candle to the left. It's a pre-market candle at like 4:30 ish. Or I think like 4:15. I think it's 4:30. But anyways, I'm trying to test something out. I'm trying to test out a theory right now. listen, we're just chopping. Yeah, everything is waiting for that vote. All right, yeah. Everything, yeah. I'm not worried at all about Tesla. It's still up like 16 bucks for the day, but everything else, everything is just waiting for the government shutdown. Well, not the government shutdown, but the vote. I hope we don't shut down. I don't think we're gonna shut down. But I'm about to end the stream because I'm gonna get ready for work. I'm gonna I'll probably be live again. Shoot, I'll be live on Wednesday of next week, but I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna start dropping my course